Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a really quick and simple recipe. This is my Nonna's marinara sauce recipe. And this is not the only marinara sauce recipe in the world. Relax, your Nonna's is good too, but this is my Nonna's recipe and it has very few ingredients, which is super important because in this case, less is more, guys. So I'm just going to show you the ingredients really quick. We're just going to use some extra virgin olive oil, some garlic, an onion. We got some canned crushed tomatoes over here, some red pepper flakes, some salt, and some basil. That's it. That's how easy this is. So I want you guys to come on over here and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so there you have it. This is my Nonna's famous marinara sauce recipe. This is the perfect thing if you're going to be using it for like another baked dish, like a pasta al forno, or even in your lasagna. And the best thing about it is that you don't need to cook it too long if you're going to cook it again. If you're going to just use it with some pasta, give it that extra 5 minutes. But 1, 2, 3, very few ingredients, and it's delicious. So I will see you guys next time. Ciao.